Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be an overview of Shopify bill pay. So if you don't know, if you're new to this channel, I do a lot of different mini overview videos, just letting you know what Shopify has rolled out with, or any other e-commerce platform if I feel like the information or the tools are interesting enough to share. So I thought this was pretty cool because it gives entrepreneurs a option to simplify and use less tools and services and kind of look at Shopify as a one-stop shop. So I'm going to be talking about what Shopify bill pay is. If you want any additional information or if you want to reread through this information is available through the Shopify Help Center. So be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed. And if you want to try out Shopify, be sure to click the link down below this video. So Shopify bill pay can simplify your day-to-day as you see on the screen. You can save time by scheduling recurring payments. You can sync with Gmail, QuickBooks, Outlook, and it says pay your way, so you can make payments with your Shopify balance account, bank transfer, debit card, or even a credit card that lets you accumulate points. So before I continue, I'm going to have the screen still going over different benefits of using Shopify bill pay, but pretty much it's a system that Shopify has that you can take advantage of if you are, I believe it's available in the US at this point, to simplify your bills. So you can pay your vendors right from the Shopify bill pay system. You can sync your QuickBooks with Shopify bill pay, so you can have all of your payment and vendor information in the same spot. So it also goes over, you can add bills or invoices, so populate your account by syncing with Gmail, QuickBooks Online, or Stocky, forwarding your email or adding bills manually, add vendors, suppliers, rent, utilities, shopping, marketing, and more. I think this is a really cool tool to use, especially if you're working with a team and you want your team to have access to all of this information in one place. This would be a really added benefit for you. You'd be able to share your login information or create their login information for them to go in and be able to get access to whatever information they need pertaining to vendors and making payments and your rent and shipping and marketing and different things like that. You can also select a payment method that works best for your business. It doesn't matter if your payee accepts that method or not. And it just continues to go down some different vendors, other bill pay solutions and payments internationally. And so I think, like I said, this is a really cool tool to use. Now, if you're wondering how to get to Shopify bill pay in your Shopify store, then you would log in like you do normally and go to the apps and type in Shopify bill pay. I think it's really cool that you can sync it to Gmail. That way, if you need to set reminders or access additional information that is in your Gmail account, you don't necessarily have to continuously toggle between different systems. I also think that it's really cool that you can connect it with QuickBooks. So many entrepreneurs, I was going to say some, but so many entrepreneurs kind of downplay how important it is to be organized with your bills as an entrepreneur until February gets close by. And from my experience from filing business taxes for years, more than what I think it's been more than I would say 5 years filing business taxes. And it works so much more seamlessly and efficiently when you have a system in place that keeps track of all of your financial spending and what's going out and who you're paying, instead of just waiting until January rolls around and trying to get all that information up and ready for you. So Shopify does a really good job with explaining the perks of using whatever system or tool they're coming out with. They also have videos on Shopify bill pay, so if you want a more in-depth video, you can definitely do that. It says when you pay a vendor through Shopify bill pay for the first time, your payment preferences are saved for the next time that you pay the vendor. It goes over how to do domestic bill pay, how to access the bill payment setup, how to add or review the bill payment details. So all that information, if you want to take a screenshot, you can, but again, it is available through the Shopify Help Center. They also go over information as far as international bill pay. They have some cautions. When a bill containing a currency other than USD is emailed to your Shopify bill pay account or synced through QuickBooks Online, the amount is not converted and displays the numerical value. So you want to be cautious of that as well. So from your Shopify admin, you can click on Finances and Bill Pay once the bill pay is added to your account. So this is pretty cool. Like I said, just wanted to let you all know that it is available. If you did not know that it's available right now, or if you didn't know before you watched this video that it's available, there are so many different cool tools and apps that Shopify does have. If you want to know any more, be sure to check out my business playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video. Bye.